Such a small mini ratchet wrench is so useful. It has all the functions of a ratchet wrench. Ratchet design saves effort and time. No more twisting back the wrench. It can assemble the screw bit quickly with magnetic structure. The knob can be turned to switch the installation or removal mode. It contains multiple screw bits, perfect fit for all kinds of screws on the bike. It also comes with an extension bar, which can also be used in small spaces. Easy to pack and put in your pocket for daily riding. By now, you deserve it.
Brothers, reinforced version of tire repair. Tire tool. There are also many tire repair patches. This thing, I believe every cycling enthusiast not exist. It is a combination tool. It opens up as 2 tire patches. Excellent material. Sturdy, easy to install tires. 3 common screwdriver heads built in, paired with the wheel wrench, and also supports 1 button forward and reverse rotation. Adjust the brakes. The seat height is just right. Look here, look here. Here are 5 models of X-Wrenches, as well as spoke hooks and file folders. Brothers, they're small, has everything you need. This is it. Brothers, this basic set is very important. The bottom left corner, will yellow by buy with confidence.